sklearn. Decomposition. Sparse coder. Description. The sparse coder class in scikit-learn sklearn is used to find a sparse representation of a set of data points using a dictionary of learned features. It is often used in conjunction with the dictionary learning algorithm, which first learns the dictionary from data. It implements the orthogonal matching pursuit OMP algorithm for finding the sparse code. Inputs. X, a matrix where each row is a data point. Dictionary, a matrix where each column is a dictionary atom or feature. Outputs. Code, a matrix where each row represents the sparse code of the corresponding data point. Steps. The sparse coder class receives a set of data points X and a dictionary of learned features. Dictionary. It then uses the orthogonal matching pursuit OMP algorithm to find a sparse code for each data point. The OMP algorithm iteratively selects the dictionary atoms that best explain the data point and adds them to the code. The sparsity of the code is controlled by a parameter called n-non-zero coefs, which determines the maximum number of non-zero coefficients in each code. Metrics. Reconstruction error measures how well the data points can be reconstructed from the sparse code. And the dictionary. Sparsity measures the number of non-zero coefficients in the sparse codes. Visualization plots. Scatter plots visualizing the sparse codes in a low-dimensional space. Heat maps representing the sparse codes with different colors for different values. Fine-tune parameters. N non-zero coefs, the maximum number of non-zero coefficients in each sparse code. Transform non-zero coefs, the maximum number of non-zero coefficients in the transformed data. Transform alpha regularization parameter for the transform step. Positive whether to enforce positive coefficients in the sparse code. Uncertainty methods. Bayesian sparse coding incorporates prior distributions over the sparse codes in dictionary atoms to estimate uncertainty. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1, dictionary overfitting. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. If the dictionary is too large or the training data is not representative, the sparse coder may overfit to the training data, resulting in poor performance on new data. Fixes to challenge 1. Regularization. Use techniques like L1 or L2 regularization to penalize large dictionary atoms and prevent overfitting. Data augmentation. Generate more training data to improve the generalization ability of a sparse coder. Challenge 2, computational complexity. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. Solving the OMP problem for large datasets with many features can be computationally expensive. Fixes to challenge 2. Approximate OMP. Use faster, approximate versions of the OMP algorithm, like the randomized KSVD algorithm. Feature selection. Reduce the number of features by selecting the most relevant ones using feature selection techniques. Challenge 3, poor sparsity. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 3. The sparse codes may not be sufficiently sparse if the dictionary is not well suited for the data. Fixes to challenge 3. Dictionary learning. Use a dictionary learning algorithm to learn a dictionary that is better suited for the data. Sparsity regularization. Add a sparsity regularization term to the objective function to encourage sparse codes.